Well, there's my, there it is. January 5th, 2020, or as they say, 2020. That's how they pronounce it. If you watch the news where I am, local anchors have hooked on phonics problems, I guess. This is video for Adam Schroeder. He commented yesterday asking to see some of my Dendrocalamus Aspers, and these are some of the Aspers. This is a really big one. Look how big that thing's getting. That's only barely a 3-gallon pot, and these were started September 27th, so kind of late in the season, and that one's doing really good, looking real nice. All of these here, well, this one, that's pepper plants, so, but if you look down in there, that one might be getting smothered by those pepper plants. But these are the S1s. These are the S1s. These need to get out in the sun more. It's about 50 degrees this morning. It's pretty chilly. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Asper S1s there. This is probably the nicest one. I need to get that out where it can get more sun. They're doing good though. All right, there it is. That's get a couple other things. That's an Asper too. That's an S2 Asper there. Now this one down here is it's an 821. August 21st that got started, and it's got some nice big leaves on it. It's in a bigger pot, so it's doing better. Are these Aspers too? Yeah, that's an Asper. That's an Asper over there, and that's an Asper. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that one down there might be an Asper. I don't have as many of those. Oh, that's an Asper. Really need to keep these things labeled. If it's not labeled, it's probably a long internode, and that's got a really long node on that one, so that probably is a long internode. All these down here are membranaceous. Those are doing really good. Boy, look at that one. That's a new shoot on that. And those are from October 10th. Doing really good. So, yeah. Where did I put the rest of those Aspers? Alright, well these are all long internodes, so I don't have too many Asper S2s. Maybe only, not even a half a dozen of those. But, oh, look at these. These are my Sinicus and Gigantus. Look at the size of those leaves. And this is a seedling with only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shoots on it. And it's 5 foot tall. It's got branches. The branches are growing like crazy. It hasn't made any new shoots in a few weeks. Man, it is really chilly out here. I'm not used to 50. 50 is really cold for me. But yeah, those are doing good. Over 1/2 inch diameter. All of them about 5 feet tall. This one over here, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 shoots in about 3 months, 4 months, and then it stopped putting out shoots. And then this one over here, this is my Giganteus clone that I got from Tropical Bamboo in Loxahatchee. And which one was it? I think this shoot here is the one that was about 3 inches tall when I got it. And it's about, well, it's probably over 6 foot tall now. Yeah, I think it might be almost 7 feet tall. But it only put out 1 shoot the whole season, so a little disappointed on that. These look like they're crinkling up a little bit and drying out. We've had a lot of rain and moisture, and I gave them some water the other day, so they're not drying out. It might just be the cold. But yeah, 1 shoot per season versus 5 to 11. This is not going to be doing as much as my seedlings are. And the same with the Bambusa vulgaris here. These are all from clones, and they took a season to get going, and then after like the first season, they'll look like this. They'll have Looks like the rabbits ate all of that off there. It had one little branch, some leaves on it. It'll put out one shoot a season. This one's really late in the season. But next year that'll probably put out 3 or 4, and they'll get to broom handle size or bigger fairly quickly. And then, you know, once they get up around this size, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, they're, you know, 25 feet tall or so. That thing's probably pushing 20 feet tall. So that's it. That's my my aspers. I gotta get some more of the S2s going. Brrr, cut.